Hi, my name is Bates. I'm with Gallup Technology Group, and on this video I'm going to show you how to clear up some space that might have been piled up because you're synchronizing folders with SharePoint. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at my SharePoint site over here and one of the shortcuts that I have, and you can see that the status over here shows a cloud. If I'm going to go to another document or another site, you're going to see that some of those have a green icon over here. Anything on this green icon basically means that this information is copied locally on your hard drive, and that means that it's taking space. Every icon that has a green check mark is copied fully to your local hard drive. In this case, you can see I hover over it and it says 1.6 gigabytes. So what we want to do is clear up any of the data from your local hard drive. If it's already on the cloud anyway, there's probably no reason to keep a local copy of it, unless this is a laptop that you need to have a local offline copy of all those documents, or at least some of them, for when you travel, for example, or if your internet keeps going down, you want to be able to keep working on those documents. But in most cases, you will be able to clear up a lot of information from your local hard drive. What we want to do is start by clicking on the little icon over here, left click here, and click on the settings wheel and go to settings. This is your OneDrive settings section. We're going to go to account, and you can see over here how much data is used on this PC. This represents all the SharePoint sites or folders that we're actually synchronizing with my computer. So for example, the LTS secure team over here is 73 gigabytes on my local hard drive. This has nothing to do with how much storage is actually saved on my SharePoint cloud account or storage. This is just how much locally I'm saving here. So I can do a few things. I can go to the sync and backup. I can go to advanced settings. And if I scroll down a little bit, I have an option over here to free up disk space. What that will do is it's going to delete the local copy of all of this information from my local computer, and it will only show me that cloud over here, which means that there is no local copy of these files on my computer hard drive. But as soon as I open, for example, CLE, and I'm going to look at that folder over here or that document over here, I can open it still. I'm going to double click on it, and it's going to then go to the Microsoft Cloud and download a local copy from the cloud to my local computer, and then it will become a green check mark. So the cloud means that it's not locally stored on my computer. Green check mark means that it is. So again, one way to do it is to go back here and under sync and backup, advanced settings, scroll down and free up space. It will clear all of it. Let me click on it and show you. You will have to make sure that next time you want to open a document, you just have to be online. You have to be connected to the internet. That makes sense, because then you're going to have to download it from the internet, or it will go to the Microsoft Cloud and download that folder for you. But let's assume that I want to get rid of the local copy of this folder only. I can go to this folder here. When I see the green check mark, I can right click on it. And over here, I can click on free up space. And what it's going to do right now, it's going to show synchronization, those little arrows, and it converted it into the cloud, which means it deleted the local copy and will now only be available on the cloud. Or if I open this folder, I can now open each one of those files, and it will then open it. It will just have to go and download it, as you can see, and now it has a green check mark and it opens it on my other screen here. So this is one very easy way to clear up some space that probably have piled up if you're using SharePoint and if you use OneDrive to synchronize your SharePoint folders with your local computer. Thank you very much.